Hi, it's Daniel with Circo Innovations. Winter is here. Let's show you some of the items we have and videos we've made of PVC projects that you might find interesting. In this arched greenhouse kit that you can see in the video, we used snap clamps, side saddle tees, and a few more of our custom fittings. This design came in handy because we had a lot of snow that season. Next, we have the generator cover. This was awesome for when we were out of power at our business. Provided a nice cover for the generator, but allowed it to breathe as well. Next, we have our mega tree that we use to decorate in front of our business. Using the same design as the large tree, the kids made a small tree, got to decorate it, and they really enjoyed it. We also came up with a star design for the top of your Christmas tree. By watching some of the videos on our channel, you'll also see insulated greenhouses and how they stood up to the heavy weather. Another popular one is the skate trainer. We have Liam here learning how to skate by using the skate trainer made out of PVC pipe. And what we have here is our top seller arched greenhouse kit, showing you how, start to finish, to build the design. Another popular design, the PVC truck cover, allowing you to have a nice cover, but also using the bed during the winter months. Next, we have the heavy-duty PVC greenhouse / carport design. We use this design to stow our boat for the winter months. Lastly, you have the Gothic arch design. Thanks for watching this video. To see these videos, go to our YouTube channel. Just search Circo Innovations. If you'd like to purchase any of our items or our kits, go to www.circoinnovations.com.